Plural possessive pronouns is a possession or possessions that belong to more than one person. Words like our wedding, their house. All of those are possessions that belong to more than one person. In English, we don't make a distinction between those two people house or a house that belongs to three more people. But Samoans break it down a little bit further. You'll know if the possession belongs to two people or three or more people by the pronoun that's used before the possession. In Samoan, we put the pronoun them two or la before the possession fale, which is house. Since we're saying their house, we need to make the house singular with the limiter le or the, o le la fale. That's their house. If we wanted to say their houses, just remove the le in the front to make it multiple houses, o la fale. Their houses or the houses that belong to those two people. To change it to their house that belongs to 3, 4, 5 or more people, that's latou. La is two and latou is three or more, o le latou fale. To say houses that belong to them 3 or more people is o latou fale. Use this same principle to say our house that belongs to two people, o le ma fale or o le ta fale. Our house that belongs to 3 or more, o le matou fale or o le tatou fale, o le luo fale, o le tou fale. And to make these all plural, just drop the le in the front.